Okay, we're just getting to the far end of Biggar. An absolutely amazing night on the ranger site, or the site where the old ranger cabin on Biggar used to be. That's where Molly and I stayed. Just glorious this morning. As I was paddling down the lake, just over the hill over there, I could hear a chainsaw going. And it's funny because I was reading about the lumbering industry last night in here. Without lumbering, there wouldn't be an Algonquin Park, and we would have been living in straw homes for the last 300 or 400 years. So they do, I think, a very good job of managing and balancing lumbering and recreation and research in this park conservation. But it's kind of cool to hear the chainsaws just over the hill. You know that they're hard at work. They take a certain percentage of trees set back from the shorelines and the portages, so you don't really see them, but every once in a while you can hear them. Like you might hear a lumber truck occasionally, or that's the first time I've ever heard a chainsaw in Algonquin. But it's a glorious day. I've got 4 portages totaling 3 kilometers, and given that I'm tripling, taking 3 different loads over, that's a total of 15 kilometers of hiking. So this will be a good indication of what the day after tomorrow will be, where I've got a 3 kilometer, well, it's 2.9 kilometer portage all in one go, which I hear is actually not too bad. These ones are apparently a little more uphill, so we shall see. It's a beautiful day. Amazing. Anyway, I better sign off here.